Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel, Fishing with Norby. We are ready for day number 2 of practice here with Crosse, Wisconsin on the Mississippi River. About to put the boat in the water. Look around. Pool number 7 today. We fished number 8 yesterday where the main launch is out of, and it was tough. We caught fish. We caught so many different species. Go watch day 1 of practice. Last video I put out. But today's day 2. It's a new day. I'm excited. I've never really fished pool 7 much. I fished it for a couple hours. One tournament I had here in college, but things have changed. That was 6-7 years ago. I fished that one with my buddy Tyler Schaefer, and we locked up, and he caught our last keeper frogging up here in pool 7. But I don't have much experience up here. I'm excited to roam around, venture around, see what we find today. Let's dump the boat in, catch some fish. Don't know where to go or what to do, but we are gonna figure it out. First time on this part of pool 7. 11 feet deep here. That's pretty deep. Makes me wanna throw something on the edge of that grass. Hard edge, deeper edge of grass. Throw a little Senko on the edge of it. Or spook. Throw the Senko a few casts. Had a little blow up right there. There's one. First one of the day. It's a good one. Yeah, real good one. All right. It's on this deeper grass edge on a sink. I like that. Wow. What do we have? Man, it's a good fish. Yeah. That's bigger than any of them I caught yesterday. That's close to 3. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Old 3-pounder into the sunrise this morning for you guys. Look at that. Thank you, Lord. That's a quick grass bass. Pretty. We got to get a picture of that one. Beaut. Yep, that one will go 3. Let's weigh our best 5 today, maybe. Go ahead and put a red mark on that one. Clear our scale out. All right, zeroed out here. I think it's 3. Yep. 313. See, buddy. Bite on tournament day for me. Let's go. There's one little guy next to that lay down. Just a wee little guy. Like to get another big one somewhere in here, because just one random fish. A lot of times the big ones are just one random fish. Another little guy. Baby. Wow. We caught enough of those yesterday for all week. Don't need any more of those. Oh my gosh, that was a giant. Pretty sure that was a largie. Please slow-mo that, Gentry. Oh my gosh. Ooh, he missed it. There he is. That fish came all the way out of the water for it. That's a good one too. The ribbit toad. That's awesome. That was fun. 2-pounder. 2-pounder. There you go, guys. He's not quite 2. He's probably like 170. We'll throw him on the scale for one of our 5 though. He is, oh, he is 2. 198. See ya. We got 5 pounds. All right, it's been a good morning so far. Gotten a few bites. Caught a 2 and 1/3. We're gonna shed the hoodie. It's warming up. It's 50s in the mornings, so you need that hoodie. And old Ethan down in South Alabama, he's been putting on all his rain gear and everything. He's freezing up here. Feels so good though. We're gonna get back to fishing. It's mid-morning. Well guys, just got a grass bass on a frog. Man, he had so much gunk on him. Looks good though. Some good frogging water back in here. Hopefully we can get another big one. If we get a good one, we might have to get out of here. Oh, if I come up here though, I gotta be committed. See you, buddy. I think I got one in here. I hooked something. Something came up busting. Oh, it got off. Shoot. That is a lot of junk. Just the frogging. Oh, it's a bowfin. He cut my frog up. Good to know. It's not a bass fish. I got another keeper. That's 2 on this stretch. Let's go. I just caught my 4th keeper. He's in my hand right now.
That's funny, because you sitting on my hole, I'm looking at you.
Yeah, right. You don't even know what pool I'm on.
You over here in this,
What pool am I on, Ethan?
thank you.
What?
I said, you over here in pool 7.
Yeah, I'm at 7. Woo! Yep, another one. This one might go a pound and a half. Might go a pound and a half. That's number 5. I got my limit before weigh-in. That's how I'm gonna feel on tournament day. He's 160.
How big?
160. I got 1082. Giant. Wow. Didn't even really know a fish was on there. Oh, it was grass. It was so small. Let's get another one. All right, folks, we are locking down to pool 8. It's 3:40 in the day. We've got 5 keepers that go 1080. That's not enough. It's been a tough 2 days so far for me, but we got about 4 more hours of fishing today. We'll lock back up after that, and then we're gonna get some dinner. We're gonna see how the other guys are doing. Get ready for practice day number 3. So, we caught most of our fish on a Cinco today. Yesterday we caught most of them on a spook. So we'll see how this afternoon goes. I'm gonna fish the north part of pool 8, which I have not hit yet. So we hit the mid to lower part of 8 yesterday, and we hit all over 7 today. Did not figure that one out. So we're dropping. You can see the water line getting higher, and as the water gets lower. So they're letting in water from pool 7. I'm gonna be dropping down. They're gonna let me go out that gate right over there here once the lock opens up. I'm the only person in the lock. It's crazy. They run this lock 24/7. So you always chance if you lock up or down a barge getting in the lock, and there's nothing they can do about it. It's made a lot of people late for weigh-ins before, but that's the risk. Doesn't happen that often, but it does happen. So I'm excited to get down pool 8, catch some fish. Begging. Straight eelgrass. Plenty of eelgrass around. I don't know why, with as much eelgrass as here, that there's not as much floating. You can actually throw a crankbait here. Gunnersville, if you get shallow, you cannot throw a crankbait. There's no way. So I wonder why there's not as much floating eelgrass here. There we go. Please be a smallie. Something good, whatever it is. It's got little head shakes like a smallie. Come on. Ooh. Yeah, it's fighting like a smallie. That would be awesome. Please be a smallie. It is. We got us a smallie. All right. There was like 7 of them together. Now we got a smallie on. It's fighting hard. Woo! Catching smallies. Oh, he's coming up. Oh. That's awesome. Man, listen to him pull. Woo! All right. Ready to bring you up, smallmouth. All right. Ooh, I lost my glasses. Knocked them off. There we go. We got us a smallmouth, folks. Woo! Probably not quite 2 pounds. Probably not quite. Alright. Look at that fish. That's pretty. I do have to take a picture with the first smallmouth I landed of the trip. Let's see what he weighs. He's probably not 2 pounds. He's probably like 180. It's kind of thin. He might be 170. Oh, 187. Oh, that would have culled out my yellow. Sweet. That'll work. Got 11 pounds now. Oh yeah, shouldn't have set the hook, but it's a little guy, so it's okay. Oh man, he's still a fighter. Jeez, they fight so hard. I can't believe how hard they fight. That one's a boat flipper. Little drop shot. So fun. Probably all sorts of size smallmouth down there. This is too fun. Oh my gosh, the second it gets down there, smallmouth, smallmouth, smallmouth. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a largemouth. That's cool. What's he doing down there? Down there deep. Wow. All right. Smallmouth, smallmouth, largemouth. At least we're catching some fish now. Another one. There are so many fish here. This is great. They keep getting smaller. The first fish was definitely the biggest. That is a baby. Wow. There he is, little guy, coming straight up the jump. Baby. Baby. Appreciate you biting though. That is fun. There's another one. Hook the drop shot back out. Monster. Stay down, buddy. And he's a fighter. He's not that big. Ooh, he's decent, actually. Jeez, he got bigger all of a sudden. Wow. All right, we better not break off the 6-pound test. And we'll just net this dude. There we go. Cool. Thanks for biting, buddy. Fat little chunk. That's awesome. So fat. There he goes. All right. We are back at the house. It's actually the next day. I forgot to shoot an outro. It's actually 2 days late from our off day. This is the end of our off day, so the tournament's about to start. But day 2 of practice, a little bit of a grind out there. We caught some fish, figured a couple things out. How'd it go for you, EG?
It went pretty good. I had a real good morning. Then once the sun got up, it got real slow for me.
Yeah. It's, I don't know, what'd you have for weight?
I don't know, 14 pounds maybe.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I think I had 11, so it was a pound better than day 1.
That's right.
But we gotta find them tomorrow.
Oh, we'll get on.
We gotta find them. Next video coming out.
What's up, dude?
Woo. How you doing, Banky?
Yeah, not bad. How are you?
Good.
Good.
You got a clean looking boat.
Yeah, I finally shined it up.
Yeah.
It was a mess.
Heard that. That's what off days are for.
Yeah.
But how'd your day 2 of
Day
practice
2,
go?
I think by 7 o'clock I had 30 fish. But they were all like that to that. It was as many casts as you could make. You were catching them.
Dude.
But they were not big.
On them.
They were not big. I think I caught, out of the 30 of those, maybe 2 keepers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I caught a 3-pounder right off the bat, but
Golly.
then nothing.
That's
for a
gold
while.
around here, though.
Yeah. And I couldn't duplicate it. But we'll see.
Yep.
We'll see.
It's the river.
Yep. We'll
It's
see on
the river.
tournament day.
Yep.
Yep. Lakers over here. What up? Y'all set? Y'all set for the tourney?
Been a long day, dude.
Yeah. How was practice day 2?
It was good. It
Yeah?
was really good. I mean,
Good.
you know, had around 10 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had 11.
Woo!
But you shook off a big one, I heard.
I shook off a couple that would be nice to catch in the tournament, but I boated 10. So
okay. Hey,
that's my story and I'm sticking
10
with
for
it.
10. 10 for 10. You always want to go 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right. Well, the reason we didn't shoot the outro on day 2 is because we got home at like 9:30. It was
very
dark.
late.
So much to do at the end of these tournament days, practice days. Really, more time after the actual tournament days. Practice days, we got download footage, we got to eat, we got to rig up, everything else.
Yeah, after the tournament days, we just we got all our tackle
to
pretty
eat.
much done. We go out to eat.
Feast up.
Hit a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know what I mean?
That's what Laker does. Little jig, little worm jig.
Little,
You're gonna throw that worm jig out there.
I'll throw that little worm jig out there and then we'll go.
That one's for you, Dad. Dad coined the term worm jig.
The worm jig.
Because I asked him what he was fishing with one time, and he said a worm jig. I said a what? He was being serious. He forgot the name of it.
Dang worm jig.
Yeah. All right.
I'm throwing worm jig.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna get out of here. God bless you. We'll catch you. Practice day number 3 coming out next. See ya.